Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me, for you. Today let me introduce you the Glade electric scented, it's a room fragrance for your rooms, for indoor rooms, with Mary Berry and wine. Wow, this is a Glade plug-ins scented oil. Design always welcome to vibes and aromas with the Glade plug-in scented oil diffuse the air freshener with the max control technology. An easy-to-use dial control allows us to adjust the fragrance level to fit any room size, and it goes up to 550 square feet. Or we can personalize fragrance preferences. The convenient plug-in design takes up less space and creates less mass than a traditional aromatherapy or essential oil diffusers, this making it ideal for the air freshener for every area. A variety of Glade plug-in scents are available on the market for our air freshener plug-in. In this case here, it comes with Mary Berry and wine, but it's also a lot of other fragrances out there possible to buy, like cinnamon, or aqua waves, or spiced apple, or autumn spice, or bamboo and water lily, bubble, 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 or bubbly berry splash, or cashmere woods. Cashmere is really a nice flavor. Or a clean line, or a coasted sunshine citrus, or a goozy vanilla cappuccino, delicious, or a crisp cranberry champagne, exotic tropical blossoms, fall night long plugins, or festive fireside glow plugins. You can see it's so many fragrances out there which you can combine, because that means if you plug it into it, okay, you can use this plugin to attach this to the machine. Then you plug it into the wall socket, and if the reservoir will be empty, you can take, for example, another fragrance to make a nice and easy, good smell and a good vibe in your rooms. There is more on the market: joyful citrus and daisies, lavender and vanilla, scented oil itself, the warmer. You can buy separately, for example. The warmer is the main machine, and additionally you will need the plugins. And in this case here, the Glade Breeze electric scent and electric room fragrance, Mary Berry and wine, is a combination of it. That means there is the warmer and there is the plugins included. But of course, the plugins will be done after a couple of months, and then you will need new. You just buy them, the plugins. You do not have to buy a warmer every day or every time you have to replace it, because the warmer will keep in touch with you over years, no problem. But the plugins you can buy separately, and you can mix them. 1 month snowflakes, 1 month lavender and aloe vera, or 1 month twinkling pine, 1 month vanilla caramel, and so many are there. We create an always welcome space with the Glade plug-in scented oil diffuser, air freshener with the max control technology. We adjust the fragrance oil scent to fit any room or mood using the max control technology. The Glade plugins max control air freshener disperses just the right amount of the fragrance, so it's always noticeable. It's perfect for use with any Glade plug-in scent itself. It makes any room more welcoming with this personalized air freshener that diffuses our favorite Glade plugs, for example. We use only the Glade plug scented oil brand refills in a plug-in scented oil warmer units. Until they will not operate properly if positioned sideways or upside down, because of course the liquid has to come down. It's not possible, because then it will flash too much into the warmer. It is so that it has to be docked into position upright. Okay. We do not place the fragrance oil bottle or cap on painted, finished, or plastic surfaces intended for adult use only. We do not insert the extension cords, multiple plug or 3-prong adapters into extra outlet warmers. We do not use it with extension cords. We do not obstruct the airflow. We keep away from furniture, fabrics, beddings, and other materials that might present a fire hazard. The Glade plugins scented oil warmer should always be inserted fully and properly into the outlet. We don't use it in small, convenient pad areas without adequate ventilation. If the warmer is removed from the outlet, we separate the bottle from the unit and store it in an upright position. To use the rotated warmer electrical plug if needed, we unscrew the cap from the fragrance bottle and insert it into the warmer. We insert the warmer upright into the outlet. We adjust the warmer intensity to desired settings. When it is empty, we replace the fragrance oil bottle with the Glade plugin scented oil and refills it only. We do not use any other refills in Glade plugins scented oil warmer. The fragrance oil may collect on warm unit over time. To clean, remove the warmer until from the electrical outlet and wipe with dry cloth. We wash the hands after handling of it. These are really easy and gives you a nice fragrance at home. This is the Glade Breeze electric scent and electric room fragrance, Mary Berry and Wine. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.